Right, in this video we want to show our Big Daddy diesel. It's in a league by itself. The people at the bottom know that. This is a whole lot better than 99.9% of the units out on the market. First of all, the trailer's built to 14,000 pound spec. Take a look at the rails. We can kind of go around here. Full 8 lugs, 7K axles. This unit features the Kubota turbo diesel. 56 horsepower right in there. Full tier 4. Look at the size of the radiator. I get a kick out of these units. They're out on the market that don't even have a radiator. Air-cooled diesel. Diesel burns hotter than gasoline. So the structure itself's big, just to protect it and keep it out of the weather for long life. This unit features the Pratazoli pump, general pump, best warranty in the industry. Look, you can get right at everything. Hydraulic pumps right here, 50 amp charger, turbo, double exhaust. You can get right at the air filter. So that's what we want to build for, serviceability. Sure, it's bigger, but this unit's built to run. They chose a larger trailer for platform. It's a large city. We can shorten this trailer up, no problem. Heavy duty hydraulic reel. All the controls are right here in the back. That old 700 feet a half-inch hose, full hydraulic on and off right here. Again, everything to get at. Look at the size of that pump run on the hydraulic reel. Full 2-inch drain. Emergency shut-off. Big toolboxes. Best of the best. Arkansas safety products, fully lockable. Fast fill. This unit features twin 300-gallon water tanks, 35-gallon antifreeze tanks. You can antifreeze the entire system. Full-size battery box. Primer valve right there, right on the fuel filter. Large diesel tank. Again, the heart's the Kubota on this unit. They're more money, but they also represent a larger investment. And when something lasts longer, you get a better return on your dollar. Sun came out, got a nice little shot on that. Give us a call if you want to get some details and specs and pricing. Thanks.